Mona? Whose hand is that?
It's Mona.
Write Mona name. Whose hand is this?
It's Vatika.
Wow, thank you so much, Mona. I'm so happy. M for Mona. Write letter M. Write letter M in your hand.
See, that is the nails.
Yes. Nails you forgot to draw. Okay, good job. Which color nail polish?
This is nail polish.
Okay.
Vatika nail polish.
Okay, thank you.
I'm doing nail polish now.
Okay.
With nails.
Okay. Thank you so much. It's looking so beautiful.
This is nail polish.
Okay. Mona, which color Mona applies?
It's Mona nail polish.
Okay. Good.
I don't have nail polish.
Okay. Don't you? Okay. Later we will apply. Okay?
But we have little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Which color do you like the most?
I want yellow.
Yellow color nail polish? Very good.
I want yellow color nail polish.
Okay. Do you have that nail polish bottle at your home?
Yes.
When did you buy?
No. Not nail polish in home.
Your nail polish bottle is there at home, right?
No.
At shop?
Nail polish in
You went to Hyderabad to Granny's house, no? Have you seen there? Okay. We will buy. One more nail polish bottle, okay? Good job. What did you do there in Granny's house? Who are there in the
Nani house?
Oh, Nani house. And what did you do there?
Papa didn't take it now.
Okay. What did Nani cook for you?
Nani cooking.
What is your favorite curry?
Chicken curry.
Very good. Did Nani cook delicious? Very good. Have you enjoyed?
Yes.
Did you thank her?
Thanks.
Very good. And still?
Okay.
What snacks did she prepare for you?
Nani.
Nani.
Prepare chicken curry for me.
Oh, very good.
We prepare sun.
Okay.